the key moment for me was when I joined a ringing table. And a ringing, it's about banding of birds. And I was there, and at that time I held a small bird in my hand. And for me to know that this bird actually flew over from the UK to Nigeria, and they do that every year, following a particular pattern and also coming over to pretty much the same kind of territory, was quite a very intriguing for me, that a small species of bird could do that. And that was a moment for me that I knew this was what I've been called to do. Dunsin is my name. I'm from Nigeria and I study birds. I'm an academic and I'm also a researcher. And looking at the impact of climate change due to human activities is something that is very concerning and very bizarre, because if you look at the rate at which human beings are actually causing this effect, it's alarming. And my own part of this whole story is to make sure I advocate for the voiceless species, just like the bird, so that people, young, the old, can actually invest time in understanding what these species are doing, and eventually, because of that understanding, it can propel them into making action. Recently, I've been quite very passionate about conservation education and citizen science, and that's all about bridging the gap between research and people. And I think there's a huge divorce between academia and also the environment and the community. And what I'm bringing to the table now is to bridge that gap, so that not just researchers, not just scholars will know about our biodiversity and we care about biodiversity, but everyone, because this is a duty of everyone. It's a duty of everyone to protect, to conserve, and to make sure that the planet, which is our home, is habitable for all.